IELTS Speaking Part 3. Topic: Building. How do you think buildings have changed over the last few decades?
Over the last few decades, buildings have become taller and more innovative in design. There has been a noticeable shift towards sustainable and eco-friendly architecture, with green technologies like solar panels and energy-efficient systems becoming standard. Moreover, materials like glass and steel are now widely used, allowing for more open, light-filled spaces. These changes reflect both advancements in technology and the growing concern for environmental impact.
Do you think modern buildings are better than older ones?
It depends on the criteria used for comparison. Modern buildings tend to be more functional and energy efficient, featuring advanced technology and designs that prioritize sustainability. However, older buildings often have a unique character, craftsmanship, and historical value that is hard to replicate. Both have their merits, with modern buildings excelling in innovation and older ones standing out for their heritage and charm.
Why do some people prefer living in high-rise buildings?
Many people prefer living in high-rise buildings because they offer great views and often come with modern amenities like gyms and communal spaces. In densely populated areas, they also provide more efficient use of limited land. Additionally, high-rise living is often seen as more secure due to enhanced surveillance and fewer entry points for intruders. It's an attractive option for people who enjoy the convenience and lifestyle that city living offers.
How do buildings impact the environment?
Buildings can have a significant impact on the environment, especially when constructed without consideration for sustainability. Poorly designed buildings can lead to high energy consumption, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions. However, eco-friendly buildings, which use sustainable materials and incorporate energy-efficient systems, can reduce carbon footprints and help conserve resources. It's essential to focus on minimizing the environmental impact during both construction and operation.
Do you think it's important for buildings to reflect the local culture?
Yes, I believe it's important for buildings to reflect the local culture. Architecture is a powerful way of expressing the identity and heritage of a place. Buildings that incorporate traditional designs or use locally sourced materials can help preserve cultural heritage and create a sense of pride among residents. Additionally, such buildings tend to blend more harmoniously with their surroundings, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the area.
What are some disadvantages of living in a tall building?
One disadvantage of living in a tall building is that it can be challenging during emergencies, such as fires or earthquakes, as evacuation can take longer and be more difficult. Another issue is the lack of privacy, especially if the building is very close to others. Lastly, maintenance can be expensive, and the higher you live, the more prone you might be to issues like noise from the wind or problems with elevators.
How can buildings be made more energy efficient?
Buildings can be made more energy efficient by incorporating better insulation to reduce heating and cooling needs. Installing energy-efficient windows and using renewable energy sources like solar panels can also significantly lower energy consumption. Smart technology, such as automated lighting and temperature controls, can further enhance energy efficiency by adjusting systems based on usage patterns.
What types of buildings are most popular in your country?
In my country, apartment buildings and residential complexes are quite popular due to the growing urbanization and limited space in cities. There is also an increasing interest in modern office buildings with advanced facilities like co-working spaces and high-speed internet. Additionally, traditional houses in rural areas remain common, reflecting the cultural preference for more private and spacious living.
What is the role of architects in designing buildings?
Architects play a crucial role in the design of buildings as they bring together aesthetics, functionality, and sustainability. They work to ensure that a building is not only visually appealing but also structurally sound and practical for its intended use. Architects also consider the building's impact on the environment and incorporate eco-friendly designs when possible. Their expertise ensures that buildings meet both the needs of the people using them and the surrounding community.
How do buildings affect the quality of life of people living in them?
The design and quality of a building can significantly affect the quality of life of its residents. For example, well-lit, spacious, and well-ventilated apartments contribute to a more comfortable and healthy living environment. Access to amenities like gyms, parks, and shopping areas can enhance convenience and social interaction. Conversely, poorly designed buildings can lead to frustration, poor mental health, and dissatisfaction with one's living situation. Hope you liked our video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated.